It's time to get into the phone. All right, people, this right here is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. And I was not sent this phone. You know, I had to sign up. I had to give away my soul a little bit to my carrier. So it's a slim box. Gee, I wonder why it's a slim box. Can anybody tell me why it's a slim box this year? So it's 7:30 now here where I am. I've been waiting since 3:30, so 4 hours. This hasn't been easy, people. It hasn't been easy. It's been kind of tough. It's been rough. Just get with it, right? Okay, here we go. So we'll take this out of here, and we're just gonna put this here. We're not even gonna flip it over first. First of all, like that's it. Like that's, I mean, what? Hello? Hello? What? Okay, so you get this little thing here. It says Samsung. There's a SIM injection tool. And in here, you get your cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C, by the way. So let's flip this around. Here we go. Oh my God. That's classy. Wow, look at that. Now, I'm under some weird lighting. You guys know that, okay? So, first of all, let's take this off. And I don't do screen protectors, so let's take this off. And that's not really a screen protector. I think they just put it in there. And, wow. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys here on my regular A6500. Look at this. Check it out. Look how it kind of... I don't want to say grabs the light. I want to repeat what people say. But, I love the matte finish on this. Check this out. Look at the matte finish on this thing. Like, it's not, like, there's no fingerprints. Look at that. Look at this gold. Look how this gold runs into the frame. So, around the sides here. Okay, so on the bottom here. USB Type-C, speaker grill, microphones. On this side here, volume rocker, power. You guys will notice that this side is completely clear. No Bixby key. Nice and clean on the top here. You got some bands, obviously, that's for your antennas. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Let me give you guys another angle over here. Let me see. It's a little hard because the light's coming at you guys a little bit different. Wow. That is... this is nicer than I thought. Like, I knew it'd be classy. So you got your triple cameras. So you got your wide, your ultra wide, and you'll have your telephoto. Telephoto is 64 megapixels, and then I believe it's 12 and 12. And then you have your flash right here, separate. I mean, honestly, everybody, look at that.
Oh yeah.
I mean, let's just soak this in again one more time.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh, by the way, we are naming this. This is Prince, everybody. This is Prince. You guys know I love the purple. Purple Rain, Prince. We'll go with either war. Purple Rain or Prince.